Good evening guys, this is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll be learning about wardrobe 3D modeling. It is next episode in our series residential project. Often while making a 3D model of wardrobes, we import these kind of 3D models from SketchUp, 3D Warehouse or Archive 3D or any other website. The problem with this is that though it is looking good when you import it, but when you run the calculation, you have these lines of polygons visible on the wardrobe, which is sort of not so good while you render it. Okay, we are not going to import any 3D models while working on walk-in wardrobe or a dressing room in the Dialux Evo. So I will show you some of the methods in which you can easily make a 3D model of your own in Dialux. First, what are the different wardrobes we have in general in walk-in closet or a dressing area. We might have a closed wardrobe like this with two side doors or one side door. Then we may have storage sections and some space for hanging the clothes. We can have a set of drawers, and then we can have the space to hang the clothes, more sectional storage, and there can be even a provision for shoe display area, island in the center of the wardrobe, and yes, of course, mirror. So we are going to see how to make all these 3D models easily in the Dialux Evo. Please do watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing you a free giveaway of some good 3D models of clothes and accessories. You can use it in the Dialux Evo while working on wardrobe. You can use it even while you're working for any textile, any fashion or retail project. So let's get started. The first one is the closed wardrobe one. Okay, now let's open the Dialux and we are going to select objects, more objects, home furniture, go to functional unit, and here you have a standard wardrobe. Okay, double click to select and place object. This is a standard wardrobe we have in Dialux, but we can have more options. Like say for example you need to make something which is open at like a doors kind. Then what you can do is go to the same object section and scroll down. You can find here door left and door right. Okay, so door right is nothing but in which door is at the right side, and door left is where the door is at left side. Let's select one, select this. Okay, and place object. Okay, here you have, and say the door is at the left side. Okay, you can copy the same and make it look as an arrangement of wardrobes like this. So this looks similar to the of other wardrobes. Now for example, if you want to make something similar to that is shown in the image, let's select the one which is door right. Okay, and place object. Here you go, Control C, Control V, and now you see the door is at I used the one with door right side and one with the left side, and this together makes one wardrobe, which is also a good option. You can easily give a texture to this. Select anything of your choice and replace the material. You can easily increase its dimensions without the loss of any textures. Okay, so next thing we are going to make is the sectional storage for clothing. For this too, you can go for the same home furniture functional unit, go down, and here you can find this open. Okay, just click here, go to your Dialux, place object, and here you have this open storage. Okay, let's give some texture to it, just replace the material. Okay, now this is how you can easily make the different types of storage. I will delete this one, I'll just keep this one, move it. You can easily group these objects too. Now let's see what is next. Next is with drawers. So for drawers we can go for Scroll down and here you have options for graphics and normals. It is with different dimensions, that is 94 into 140 and 94 into 51. This is large in size, this is smaller one. You can use any one of your requirement. For now let's use the bigger one, and double click, select and place the object. Okay, here it is. You can again easily increase its scale, its dimensions, and give the texture, replace the material. You can use even the smaller ones. Double click to select and place the object, scale it, and you're done. Give some texture to it, replace the material. Okay, you can easily apply any texture for this wardrobes too. Let's just select some wooden texture, replace the material, and you can see the difference. Okay, you can even give a transparent texture, degree of transmission make it 10, reflection factor make it 5, and replace the material. So here you have the glass texture. Okay, so this was simple, quick and easy, right? When you have these textures, you can easily even replace it to some other texture, like let me give some other wooden texture like this. Replace the material, let us do it again, replace material. Okay, so if you're doing a kids walk-in wardrobe, you can use some texture like this, I guess, as per the interior design perspective images. For now let's keep this wooden one. Nice, right? Okay, so we have finished closed wardrobes, we have finished sectional storage, we have finished event drawers. What's next? So next we have space for hanging clothes. Okay, so one which has hangers. Now this is important, watch it carefully. Okay, so you can't get the hangers section in the home furniture. For that you're going to select shop design. Okay, double click, go to the fashion department, and here you can click on shelf A. Okay, I will explain you what is this shelf A, shelf B, shelf C. Okay, click on shelf A, scroll down, and here you can see type A, with different dimensions. Okay, so even in the click on anything, select it. Okay, place object, we will rotate it because we are going to view like this. Okay, and we'll place it here. Let's go and see in the Dialux. Okay, so here you have nice storage space with a rod here as a hanging space for your clothes. Okay, you can easily replace the texture here. This rod has a plain white texture, you can make it metallic, give some reflective coating, and replace the material. Okay, so this is simple, easy, quick and good. Okay, now let's go back. In wardrobe you can choose the dimensions accordingly. Here you have 150, 200 and 300. In other ways you can easily scale it too. Let's place the object, rotate it, position it properly, and here you can see. Okay, so when it is in shelf A type, okay, though these are two different objects, but you can see they are all aligned in the same way. Okay, like if I apply the texture, okay, see this shelf and this shelf are on same levels. Okay, that is what type A means. Now let's go to shelf B and select one shelf. We'll place it here, place object, rotate it, position it here. Now see here, shelf B is quite different from shelf A, but if you go and select some other object of shelf B, then let's select this one and place object, rotate it. See, it's of same type, both are same. Okay, so that is the difference between shelf A and shelf B. You can select any type of shelf based on what you're looking for. Okay, so you have n number of options here. Okay, say shelf C. I think shelf C is more nicer one. Let's just delete this one and choose type C type. C-type shelves. Double click to select and place the object. Rotate it, position it properly, and let's check it out in Dialux. Nice. Let's check the one with lesser dimensions. Place the object, rotate it, and here you have nice wardrobes with hanging space. Let's apply some texture. Give some metallic texture to this too. Select the material, make it metallic, increase the reflective coating, and replace the material. Okay, that was simple, right? Okay, then next we have shoe storage space. So for shoe storage space, we are going to go back to the objects, and what you're going to do is go to the objects and just type shelf, and the second shelf you have is the one which you can be using as a shoe display. Just place the object, rotate it. Let's check how it exactly looks. Let's go to the Dialux, and it is perfect. Nice. We'll move it to this end. Let's apply some texture to it. Pick material and replace the material. This one, I think it will be good if I apply some glass texture. So I'll just pick this material, make it little darker, make it transparent, and give a degree of transmission as 5, and replace the material. That's nice. I want to see how this comes up in a render. Okay, now next one is this island. For the island, it's too simple again. All you need to do is go to the objects, office furniture, and you have here office shelf. Click on this and place this object. Let's place it exactly at the center, and let me just decrease the size for now at 0.7. I will copy this, Ctrl C Ctrl V, and rotate it, make it look like a square shaped island, something like this, and this is how it's gonna be. Nice. We will apply some texture for this too. Replace material. Okay, I will apply texture for doors first, and this one I want it to be glass, so I'll make it transparent, but I need a black glass, so I will keep the scaling here. Degree of transmission 5 is enough, and replace material. Perfect. And let's give some metallic texture to this. Metallic reflective coating as 50, and then replace material. Okay, so basically wherever we need a see-through glass, there I have used material to be a glass, transparent, and I have given some degree of transmission. Okay, and wherever I need a metallic finish, there I have made the texture to be metallic, and I have given some reflective coating. It is very simple. If you guys need a detailed video on the textures, I will make that too. Please do let me know in the comments if you want a separate tutorial on understanding the textures. Okay, now let's get back to this, and most importantly, we have we have mirrors in walk-in wardrobe or a dresser. So it's super easy to make a mirror in Dialux Evo. All you need to do is just select one cube, place the object, decrease its thickness, and increase its height. So it will be something like this. I need the glass to be of full length, so I will just increase its width. Okay, and then let me just pick the material, make it little dark, replace it. Now what you're going to do is select the texture again, make it fully white. From metallic, make it transparent, and it is reflection factor 90. Degree of transmission, no degree transmission, and apply the material. Okay, so that finish you can't see now because we haven't rendered it. After we render, we can see all the finishes, right? Okay, so we have finished making even the mirrors. Now let me apply some textures to the floor, wall and ceiling, and then let's do a quick render. For now I have just placed some downlights here, but this is only for the calculation. In the next video we'll be discussing in detail about lighting for walk-in wardrobe. Okay, but for now I just want to show you how it's going to come out after calculation and render. So let's make a quick calculation. Let's render this view first. Let me make a view like this. Okay, so we can cover this side, wardrobes, mirror and even the island. Export, save new view, ray tracer, full HD and start ray tracing it. Render is completed and you can see the effects. It's a full HD render, but look at the effects. It's neat, no missing textures, proper, not any diagonal lines on the 3D model. Nice. See the mirror. Because of the mirror you can see that this looks extended to this part. Perfect. Nice. I have even shared few of the tips on this textures and wardrobe making on shorts, on YouTube shorts. Please do check out even that. It's quick and simple steps. Now let's close this and I want to take a render of this view, but before that let's close this calculation and let me just extend this wardrobes to this size. Okay, and for now let me just remove this. Okay, I just want to take this side view like this. Okay, so let's run a quick calculation. Calculation is completed. Let's set the view and ray trace it. You can see the texture, the wooden ones, the wardrobe, nice, clean. Okay, let me just change the texture and do the render again. So let me select something like this, replace the material, and I will remove the mirror for now. Just remove it, run the calculation, export, set the view and ray trace it. So this is it guys. In this video this is how you're going to make these are some quick and easy steps to make a walk-in closet or a dresser on your own in Dialux Evo. Quick, simple, easy, no missing textures, no heavy 3D models, no need of going and scrolling through the SketchUp to get good 3D models. Okay, as I promised, I'll be giving a giveaway of free 3D models of dresses, okay, which will be of less MB and less poly of. So this is it guys, and I really put a lot of efforts to come up with good solutions in Dialux Evo and recording late nights so that I can give a better content. So please do hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.